Waiting for a good lightning strike right on that damn Bosque Mountain.
Up to the number board. I'll be with you as soon as I can. Have my reading as right as this 11:15. Over 39er, over. Morning until 23:15. Winds of excess of 60 miles an hour. Roger, I'll get a ride coming for you. Make sure you protect the air so we're not getting over. Alright, you sir. Sure you're safe.
That damn airplane, I got that right in the damn picture minus the lightning.
Ted 98, 11,000 hotel.
They're back to the head end there on track number 2, and you can come to the hump and pick up a battery, then head back over to Andy at the west end of 3 there if you need a battery for the box. So, make sure.
Control Post 801 for call town of Copiague, Twin Bridges Road, Cross Street, Overlook Road, call location.
Passengers can put on your list, cruise the top end to swap out with a cruise and number board, over.
Passengers, over.
Road, Cross Street, Overlook Road, call location.
You can west of the track number 1, pick up an outlaw crew, please.
Control to the area of Twin Bridges Road, town of Copiague, vicinity of Overlook Road, before a large tree limb down in the roadway blocking the entire road to the caller. These two are 4-3 assigned, 22-28.
Nice. Oh boy.
This is Neva State Control announcing a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berkshire County, which includes the city of North Adams. It's 11:30 p.m. Wind schedule reducing. Winds over 60 miles per hour. I say again, this is Neva State Control announcing a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berkshire County until 11:30 p.m. Neva State Control on all channels 2229, dispatcher 508.
Mr. Messer, BC.
10-4.
056 is silent. Attached to the last cover here at 99 Second Street.
10-4.
The 438 of the 06, my humper should be going by you for 3. Okay, down. Watch out for him. Head down 1, east pigtail. And 434, when your conductor gets back to you, my humper will stay in the clear on 3, and you can follow the 438, and you can head down 1, east pigtail. You're also going to it. Conductor, what did you have for handbrakes on the west end of track number 3 there? See you right there. About 701.
Can you respond code 1 to the area of Robbins Division? That reports of a loud noise disturbance.
Party's just talking very loud. You can check it out. Medic 91 to 235 Melbourne Road for 64-year-old male party, difficulty breathing. Still alarm, engine 1, Medic 91 on number 235 Melbourne Road for 64-year-old male party, difficulty breathing. Darrell and course going to be your cross street, timeout 2234. The National Weather Service at Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northeastern Columbia County